Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Business Hunter. Today I want to quickly show you how you can buy quality product from Jumia shopping website. And I'm also going to show you how you can understand and know fake reviews. Because when people want to buy product online, they get carried away with the positive reviews they see under a particular product. There are some reviews that are fake reviews. I am going to show you how you can actually understand which review is genuine and which review is fake in this very particular video. I am also going to show you how you can give a positive or negative review by yourself after you bought a product, depending whether you're satisfied with the product you bought or you are not satisfied. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually ask for a replacement of your product if it is not good enough for you, or how you can actually ask for a refund. That's all I'm going to cover in this very video. Let's stay tuned with me from the beginning to the end, and let's dive in and start analyzing. I'm going to start with the first two steps: how to know original quality product, and also know a fake reviews, so that you don't get deceived and buy product that is fake. So let us dive in. Let's say I want to buy lady shoes. Let's say I want to buy lady shoes. Okay, look at this shoe that you're seeing here. Look at this particular shoe here. It has 34 verified ratings, which is the reviews. Let us click on the reviews. Look at the first review, the first one here. The person is saying not bad, good product. Indeed, breathable. It gives 5 rated. And if you look at the second one, I love it. So nice, fitted perfectly on my legs. I like it. The reviews of this particular product is very, very fantastic. And anybody that stumble upon this product will want to buy this particular product. But is it all about the reviews? My answer is no. It is not all about the positive reviews that you're seeing here. Let me explain to you. Reviews, if you do not know what reviews are, you can actually fall victim of buying a fake product because you see a positive review. But the point is, there are some websites that you can take your product link to, and there are people readily available there to review your product for you. They're going to review your product for you because they are there for that kind of job. You pay the owner of that particular website and you put your link there. Then the audience of that website will come and review your product, give you positive reviews. So when somebody come under your product like this, they are going to see positive reviews all through. So if you are not somebody that understands, you are going to be deceived into buying that product. But I want to show you how you can actually know fake reviews and not to be carried away. So that's what I'm going to be showing you here. But before we proceed, I want to ask you to do me a favor. Kindly comment on this particular video, turn on the notification bell, and also click on the red button to subscribe to my channel, so that so that I can be encouraged to create videos like this. What I do basically on my website is product review, and I also guide my audience not to fall into all these scammy website out there. I guide you on how to buy quality product online, and I also show you how you can do a lot of businesses online. That's what I talk basically on my website. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video so that we can trigger the YouTube algorithm. So let me go on and show you how you can know fake reviews now. Okay, look at all these reviews here, about 30-something reviews that you're seeing here. What you should be looking out for to know a genuine and sincere review is by the date. Like I stated earlier, those websites that people go there to get reviews for their products, the moment they submit that kind of job to that website, within 24 hours, you will see people that are on that platform that will execute that particular job within 24 hours. And when you come to read those reviews, if just look at the date, let's say if the date of all these reviews that we are seeing here, about 30-something reviews, are given in 2 consecutive days, let's say it's given on the 21st of September 2022 and on the 22nd of September 2022, you should suspect that that product review is actually a fake one. It's a deceptive one. But when you look at a product like this one is given 21st of September. This one is given on the 20th. This one on the 20th. This one on the 12th. This one on the 29th of August. This one on the 22nd of August. This one on the 16th. This one on the 15th of August. This one is on the 10th of August. It is a clear indication that these reviews are given by genuine people, people that actually bought this product in reality. So that is how you know our reviews that are original and the ones that are fake. So let me show you another product here. Look at this product. If you look at this product, look at this. Nobody is going to buy this kind of product. Only one review. And it is actually an awful review here. Just one star rated review to show you that this product is not. If you look at the picture looks fantastic. But in reality, the product itself is not a quality product. That is why you see only one review under this particular shoe here. So this is how you know whether a product is original or not. Then I'm going to show you how you yourself, you can actually give a review when you buy a product. Come under your platform here, come here and click on your name. Click on my account. Then look to your left hand side here. See pending reviews. Click on that pending reviews and scroll. Okay, look at it. You're going to click on rate this product. But before I click on it, let me say something about how you can request for a replacement of items if you are not satisfied with it, or a return of items. This product that you're seeing here has been ordered for over 2008, 2018. It is an old product that I bought. But if it is a new product that maybe I bought it in the last 5 days ago, under here you're going to see request for return or request for exchange of whatever here. You're going to see another button like this one under here. When you click on that button, you're going there you will select why you are returning the product. Then you will give a comment on your reason, the reason why you don't want the product again. You're going to put it all there. Then Jumia will contact you and they will resolve your problem by maybe replacing the product for you and any other option available. So if you click on rate this product now, it will open here. Then if you're satisfied with this product, you're going to come here, 5 rated. You click on this, the last star here. If it is not a product that is satisfied, you can click on this only one. And you come here, you give your review. But if it's a positive one, you click here. Then you come here and you write, maybe I love this product or something. Then you come here and you give a deeper comment about that product here. You scroll down, you click on submit. Submit your review. That's the end of everything here. Like I said earlier, if you find any value in this video, kindly put in the comment below. Also like this video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that you can become part of our YouTube community. I really appreciate your time and take care.